This is our only facility. We do pretty much start to finish production here. We start with raw flour, and then it goes all the way through production, proofing, case packing, freezing, and shipped out the door. Before we purchased the cobot, there was a minimum of 4 people in packing. They had to make the cases themselves, they had to fill them, they had to tape them, they had to stack them. Now with the introduction of the robot, one person can be back there and pack an entire pallet by themselves in probably the same amount of time it took for 4 people. The frozen dock where we case pack our product is usually between 34 and 36 degrees. That's pretty cold. If people are back there doing work, they get cold, they get tired. The cobot took all of that out of it. It doesn't need to take a break. It doesn't need to get a drink. It doesn't need to go to the restroom. It doesn't need to eat lunch. And it never needs to go home. It's always there. In the almost 3 years that the cobot has been here, we've seen almost a 25% increase in the speed and efficiency of the case packing process. It's streamlined the entire thing. For as much as that machine is run, it takes a very low amount of maintenance to keep it running the way it's supposed to. Their service is really top-notch. Their people are very knowledgeable about the equipment that they install. We've never asked a question that they didn't have the answer to. We were a little apprehensive about adding automation, and now I wish we could add more.